Flipping properties is a term we use when you buy a rundown property, for example, renovate it and then sell it. Now, flipping properties can be lucrative, but you can also lose a lot of money flipping properties. So you can lose a lot of money flipping properties, and a lot of people do lose money because they overcapitalize. And what that means is they buy a property, they put too much money into it, and then they can't sell it at a profit. What you want to be doing and how to not overcapitalize is firstly really budget when it comes to flipping. Understand which renovations are going to make you money, and you're looking for a 1 to 3 return typically on those renovations that will make you the most money. And then, on the other things that are not going to make you too much money, 1 to 2 usually. But the trick here is really buying in the right location. And you need to be buying in an area where your renovation is going to be in line with that area. You can't buy in a D grade suburb and put A grade renovations and expect where everyone else's property is worth 500 to sell it for $1 million. You want to be buying in an area that's worth $1 million for 700 or 600, putting 100 or 200 into it, and then getting that for $1 million. So it's really about location and not overcapitalizing.